Hello friends, last day when I went to my college for I have this multimeter, and some of my friend wanted to borrow this multimeter from me for 2 days, and I found that the sound of this multimeter is not working. You can see over here. Uh, when I join these two terminals, there is no sound though. So I'm wondering why this is happening. So today I am going to open this multimeter and see what is the main problem behind this. uh, so let's start. So the main problem of the multimeter with the speaker is broken at the terminals. You can see the one end of the speaker is open. So let's just solder it. So there you can see I have soldered this speaker, and now let's check what is the working condition right now. Uh, so let's connect these two wires, and you can hear the sound. Now it is working perfectly fine. So this is the main problem. Now it's resolved. Thank you for watching. So the issue with my multimeter is now resolved. Now I am thinking to make a video on the multimeter, what's inside the multimeter and what is the working function of a digital multimeter in my next video. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up, because it keeps my energy up, and subscribe to my channel. And the thing I want to ask you that please you guys comment. If you like the video, please comment what do you want from me, what types of video you want in future. So thanks for watching my video, and subscribe to the channel, please.